Okay, this is a video about a garden swing that I made for my daughter. She's about 4 years old. I needed something with a bit of a safety aspect to it. So what I did was I've got 4 12mm nylon ropes, ski ropes. I drilled 4 holes into the bottom section, threaded the rope through, and put large oversized fender washers with a double knot at the bottom. Then I added a bit of a backrest. The backrest, similar manner, with some eye bolts, and the eye bolts are angled to create a bit of a backrest. I then have some round branches, same thing, threaded the rope through with a knot, and then some fender washers. And the fender washers are merely there to help the rope not threading back through the knots. And then I added this beam that comes down with a clip which clips between the legs, adjustable, and screwed, double screwed to the bottom. And then there are 4 ropes running right up to the top of the tree. Anyway, rope swing. Okay, so there's my daughter in the swing. The bar comes down, and then there's a clip in the middle, and nice and comfortable. And yeah, now we're ready to swing. Super duper fast. Okay.